we are drawing a dinosaur. Do you know what time it is now? In the midnight. I got my colors here and today we are doing a finger painting. Let's get started because now I only have like 43 minutes to go. I don't have any sketch or anything. I'm just gonna go straight with paint. Head is gonna be the most prominent thing here. This is butt. Tail is like just resting over here. This is 100% not anatomically correct and I don't care. Be the eye. I think we are on the right path here. Even if it's not, who cares? This is gonna be the eyebrow. Okay. This is the sketch. 23 past midnight. I have 37 minutes. And you may question why this dinosaur is blue. I don't know. Okay? I don't know. Now it's too late to change. I'll roll with it. I'm planning my first shop drop ever. It's in like 3 days. Oh, wait, actually it's in 2 days. Oh my god. I was planning to do 5 paintings for the shop drop alongside my cookies and my pin pals. But I only have 3. This is the 4th one. I don't know even if I'm gonna be able to finish this on time. This shop drop thing is actually stressing me out a little. I think this finger painting thing will help me with my stress a little. I hope so. Because I have this thing, I have to finish this before 1 a.m. This is also stressing me out. It's not helping. He's so blue. Might have been like blue dinosaurs, right? Only have the skeleton. Who knows? There is one now. 28 minutes left. Oh shit, oh shit. This looks like fire. I honestly don't know how this will turn out. And I think these spikes should be something like this color to balance it out. And the spikes are done now and it looks like he's on fire. He's on fire, but I don't care because I don't have the time to care. In the scenario in my head, this drawing is hanged on a kid's room. This kid is really obsessed with dinosaurs like Ross from Friends. If you have a kid like that who's like obsessed with dinosaurs, this could be a very cool gift for the kid. Just saying. Oh, the time is 10 minutes to 1 a.m. Yeah, I'm running out of time. According to my health app, I should be sleeping now. But here we are. Painting a goofy dinosaur. Oh god, 4 minutes left. Oh no, I'm not gonna make the deadline. Now let's draw the eye. Cool, right? 1 minute to the deadline and we're not gonna make it. I think I'm gonna go for green the background. Now I'm sleepy. It's already like 10 minutes past 1 a.m. and we are here. And I'm not like 100% happy with it. I think I have to do something more on this drawing. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, probably with another material. I will come back tomorrow. This is the current stage. Ta-da!